Please introduce me yourself.
Hello sir, my name is Diana Duran Cabanos from Kawayan City, Isabela, 39 years old, married. I have 6 children, 4 sons and 2 daughters. I am a college level. I took PSIT in Information Technology.
Okay, do you experience abroad?
No sir, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper for 2 years to a couple with 2 children. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, and ironing. My main duty is to taking care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my family, especially for my children, and to be financially stable in the future.
If you get tired, who will take care of the children?
My husband and my mother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, sir, and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no of this but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you select me as a helper in the future. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. And I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.